Alright. Well, welcome back to Off Grid and On the Fly. We're start wanting the power washes out today, and well, as you can see, I figured we'd have some rock, but I was hoping that I coated that good. So we gotta change the plan. Oops, sorry about that. We're gonna tear it apart. Take it all apart. I gotta take all this off. Cause I'm looking at probably I gotta do the electrical all over. It's been sitting, and I know you'd rather see the nightmare than anything. And there's some things I gotta do, so I'm gonna tear this all out. I'm thinking about putting the throttle and steering cable or steering on that right there about where that PVC pipe is with a throttle on that wall there. And uh, I'll get back to you after I get some more of this tore out. All right. All right. Like I said, I'll bring you back. And something happened. Well, that's what happened. I tore all that shit out of there. I gotta fix the floor there, of course, but I'm gonna take the whole thing out, fix it the right way. Probably gonna do something. I'm gonna set it up for camping and fishing. Just don't know what right yet. Maybe y'all give me some ideas. Comments down there somewhere down there. I don't know. It'd be down there somewhere. I don't know. You know where? Yeah. Anyhow, I think I'm done for today on this project. I got some other ones I gotta take care of, but that's pretty much it. Now, when I do some more. All right. Well, here's what we got. We got her gutted out. Got her down to the ribs. Tomorrow we're gonna give her a good blowing out, blow all the rest of that out. Maybe the rain will help push it all down that way. It's raining right now. Undercoating spray. But anyhow. But there's what we got. We got ribs. We gotta clean that one up over there. And I think I'm gonna put a bench seat right here. I gotta figure it all out. But give me some ideas on a tent. Maybe something coming off of that, coming that way. Draping down the sides, coming down. I got a tarp. We could use a tarp, do something, Let's see what we can do. Oh. Yeah, I love y'all. Peace out.